Hi, welcome back to Rental Academy. My name is Juuso, and today I'll be walking you through the additional features you can integrate into your rental store. We want you to have the ability to build up the perfect e-commerce platform tailored to your business needs. Next, I'm going to show you how you can do that with Rentle Blocks, additional features you can enable for your shop. Head over to the menu bar and select Blocks from the bottom of the list. This is the block store, where you can see all the additional features available in Rentle. To install a new block, just open it and click Install. The feature will be enabled for your shop immediately. If you need more blocks, you can always change your plan. Just head over to the corner on your right-hand side, where you can see how many blocks you've used, and click Change Plan. Here you can see all the different plans and how many blocks they have. For more details, visit rentle.io/pricing, where you'll be able to see all the information regarding the different plans. For a more hands-on approach, click Get Started and create your free rental account today.